our next security profile is anti-spyware profile. So we have the same lab setup which we used previously. If we go back, so we have HQ firewall. Inside we have a PC1 with the IP address 10.0.1.1, from where we're gonna access some URL to test anti-spyware profile. Inside interface of the firewall is 1/3. WAN interface is 1/1. So we already access this firewall graphically, okay, from here. So let's start to configure. The profile name will be AS profile, and we're gonna attach this security profile to our security policies. The security policy name is LAN to internet. We will go to LAN to internet action, and under the profile previously we attach antivirus profile. Next we're gonna test anti-spyware profile. Again, make sure that you have the valid license. So if I go to device and if I go to licenses, so I already have a valid license for a threat prevention. Okay, so the license is okay. Second thing, that make sure that you have updated signatures for thread and antiviruses. So for thread, you can check manually as well. Check now. Okay, and it will show you the latest signature. Right now I have installed this one. So there is the updated one, the last one, okay, 092, and you can click download to download the updated signature for the application and thread. Also you can do it schedule as well. So this is schedule every Wednesday. This time you can make them a daily basis as well, and you can do it on any day. So this one is Wednesday, you can change them as well, and this is the date and time. It's better to make them a daily, okay, and you can put the time, and you can say that I want to download and install this signature automatically. So you can schedule as well. And right now I done manually, and I install the download basically the updated signatures. However, it's only downloaded, so I need to install them as well. Okay, and just continue installation. So now I have a license and I have the updated signature as well. Let's go back, and here you will find the thread version. Okay, so we have everything ready. Let's start to configure the anti-spyware profile. We need to go to object. Let me close this one. And under the security profile, we have anti-spyware. Previously we done antivirus, and second we have anti-spyware. There is a default one too, default and strict. Strict is more strict, so let's choose this one and clone them. Okay, and click OK. So click on the strict one because these are the read only. So click on this one and let's give them a name, anti-spyware profile. So these are the policy name, these are the severity level and action to take. So you can change the action if you want, and this is the packet capture is disable. However, if you want, so you can also you can add more, you can move them up, down, you can clone them, and you can find more detail as well. Anyway, we will keep the default one. So this is signature policies, signature exception if you want to, similar like antivirus. Okay, if you want to add any signature which has to be exclude. These are the for DNS. We will do DNS later on, and DNS exception. Okay, and cloud analysis. So these are extra thing if you want to configure. So we are done with the strict rule, and we give them our own name, AS profile. So our anti-spyware profile is ready. Next we need to go to policies, and as per our setting we need to attach this anti-spyware profile to our policies, okay, which is LAN to internet. So let's go to LAN to internet. You can go to action, and under the anti-spyware just choose the profile which we just created and click OK. Next you need to commit the changes. Okay, now for verification we will visit, commit the changes already we done. we will visit few URL to try them. Okay. And then we can see the logs under the monitor logs and thread. Okay. So if we go back to monitor under the thread, here you will find three things: viruses, spyware, and vulnerabilities logs under the thread, which we discussed theoretically. So now it's done. We need to go to the inside PC, which is PC1. So I already opened PC1, and right now there is no logs for the spyware, only viruses and vulnerabilities. Okay, so let's click here and let's go to test. You can go to this link to test them, and for that let me search as better spyware. Okay, yeah, so there is a complete section for these. You can use as a DNS as well. Anyway, I will try to access them directly. Okay, let's go down. If we have a direct URL, okay, all these are the spyware. Okay, you can ping them as well, and you can access them as well. So let's try this one. And if I try to visit, okay, and also let's go down if we have any other good link to visit, at least to test them for spyware. All these are the spywares. Okay, so let's see, let's go. Okay, let's visit this one as well. Let's try to visit. Okay, these two are enough. Let's see if we can refresh and see the spyware. So here we visit only two. So you see spyware, and here is spyware, and these are the link which we visit from LAN, and this is our PC1 IP. Okay, and this was DNS because it will check the DNS entry for these logs. So here is and has been dropped. Okay, and it was the URL which we visit, if you remember, and this was the drop packet by NHA. These are spyware. So we verify this one. Also, you can use the same command, the one which we use for viruses as well, show log thread through CLI, to see the same thing through CLI. So this was anti-spyware profile.